Imagine a world where all countries cease trading oil. No more oil exports, no more imports, and no more fossil fuel consumption. How would this drastic decision affect the global economy, alternative energy sources, and commodity prices? In this video, we will explore how this monumental shift could reshape the world in unexpected ways. Let's begin analyzing the effects of this scenario. The first impact would be on the global economy. Ceasing oil trade would bring about drastic changes. Oil is a major source of energy in numerous industries. Halting its trade could lead to significant disruptions in supply chains, as factories and transportation heavily rely on fossil fuels. Financial crises could hit countries that depend heavily on oil exports, like Saudi Arabia, Russia, and Venezuela. These nations might experience severe economic instability, leading to sharp fluctuations in global financial markets. Falling oil revenues would also impact currency exchange rates in producing countries, resulting in major volatility in the global financial markets. The second area of impact would be on alternative energy sources. With no oil trade, the world would witness a strong push towards adopting alternative energy sources. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power would become the primary alternatives. Investments in these areas would increase, potentially driving the development of new technologies and reducing production costs. Green technologies like rechargeable batteries, hydrogen fuel, and smart energy management systems would gain increased attention. There would be a surge in research and development to provide efficient and sustainable solutions. However, the transition to alternative energy sources would face challenges, such as the need for infrastructure upgrades, efficient energy provision, and resource sustainability. The third impact would concern commodity prices. Ceasing oil trade would affect commodity prices in multiple ways. Transportation costs would rise as oil is the primary fuel for transport. Ceasing oil flow could lead to increased shipping and transportation costs. This would reflect in higher prices for goods and merchandise in global markets. Some industries use petroleum products as basic components in production. Halting oil trade might lead to higher raw material prices that depend on oil, affecting production costs. Consumers might see increased prices for fuel and basic goods, impacting purchasing power and daily living costs. In conclusion, if all countries stop trading oil, there would be far-reaching effects on the global economy, alternative energy sources, and commodity prices. While this shift would open opportunities for developing new technologies and enhancing sustainability, the challenges would be immense as well. How do you envision this scenario affecting the world around you? Share your thoughts in the comments.